extraction buffer. Please read the instructions carefully before testing. Sealed pouches, trippers, extraction buffer, 400 microliters per tube, nasal swab, test tube rack, procedure card, biohazard bag, IFU. Open placed test tube rack. Place the sample tube in the test tube rack. Twist off the head of extraction buffer. Fill all the liquid into the sample tube. Open and take out the nasal swab and ready for nasal specimen collection. Carefully insert the entire absorbent tip of the swab into the nostrils, about 1.5 to 2 centimeters. Firmly sample the nasal wall by rotating the swab in a circular path 5 times against the nasal wall. Slowly remove swab from the nostril. Repeat the above sampling for other nostril with the same swab. Insert the swab into the extraction tube and immerse the entire tip of swab into the extraction buffer. Rotate the swab about 10 times. Then, let it stand for 1 minute. Take out the test cassette for foil pouch and lay it flat. Take out the swab while squeezing the tip to release the excess liquid. Cover the dripper into the extraction tube with specimen. Lay the test cassette flat and add 4 drops processed specimen into the sample well. Wait for 15 minutes to get the result. Do not interpret the result after 20 minutes. Positive result color bands appear at both T-line and C-line. It indicates a positive result for the 2019 CoVAntigen in a specimen. Negative result color band appears at C-line only. It indicates that the concentration of the 2019 CoVAntigen is 0 or below the detection limit of the test. Invalid result low visible color band appears at C-line after performing the test. The directions may have not been followed correctly or the test may have deteriorated. It is recommended to resampling and test. After testing, put the materials in medical waste bag and dispose of local infectious disposal law. Wondfo, racing for life.